is a tutorial on how to get that cute, youthful, kawaii makeup. So the first step is going to be putting on lenses. Lenses make the biggest difference. So first step, we're gonna put on foundation. As you know, it's summer, it's very hot. For reference, I have oily skin and as you can see, I'm already breaking out a lot. So I'm using this foundation. It's lightweight, yet it has a very nice coverage. So we'll begin by dabbing in the foundation, pressing gently into the skin and working our way throughout the entire face. Just so you know, my goal here is not to hide or conceal my pimples as if nothing is on my face. Remember, skin texture is very normal. Moving on to concealer, I'm using a flat brush and using concealer closest to my skin tone. Then we're gonna let it dry for a few seconds. After drying, we will use a beauty blender and blend it out gently. Moving on to brows, I'm using a brow tint. So this is a few shades lighter than my natural brows, and the good thing about this tint is it does not only dyes your eyebrow hair, but it also acts as a gel. So once it dries down, it will hold them in that place. For cleanup, I'm using the same flat brush and using a concealer a bit lighter than the one that I applied in my under eyes, spreading it out with the same brush and blending it out with the beauty blender. Moving on to eye makeup, I'm using a very neutral shade for transition. Putting on this slight orange color on my lash line for a pop of color, but I'm gonna blend it out and I'm gonna place black eyeshadow right on top of it and blend it out too. This is gonna be our guideline for our eyeliner. You can already see how much of a difference these tiny steps make. Then I am taking an angled brush and a light brown eyeshadow, placing it under my eyes for that aiguille solve. In my case, I have prominent eye bags, so I have to squint my eyes a little for some kind of natural guideline, and I will follow that guideline, blend it out with a brush, and then apply a very light eyeshadow on top of it. It will look a little weird or scary at first, but once everything is blended out, it all comes together. Moving on to eyeliner, we're gonna create a very tiny wing and do the same for the other eye. I like to call this eyeliner kitten eyeliner. Now we're just gonna bake. I'm using a fluffy brush and gently patting the powder in. Okay, so for lashes, I'm using cluster lashes. It's DOUYIN makeup look, so obviously we'll use cluster lashes. For the bottom lashes, I'm taking some mascara on tweezer and gently pressing them together so the bottom lashes would be spiky. Moving on, for your cheeks, I'm using a very light peachy blush and applying it on my cheeks and my nose. The contour cannot be harsh, therefore I'm keeping a very light hand using the same shade I always use. I'm drawing two vertical lines down my nose, connecting them to my eyebrows, and two horizontal lines on my nose tip. Putting some on my cupid's bow to contour the lips and give more of a pouty effect. Next up, we're gonna use a kind of a neutral lip liner for lip contour. This is where we are gonna draw a fake lip line, and after that just blend it out with your fingers. I'm using my favorite lipstick. It's the Perfect Peachy Nude shade and it goes with literally everything. On top of this, I'm applying some raspberry tint for that popping pink look, and on top of all this, I'm applying a gold glitter lip gloss. Putting on some golden highlight on my cheekbones, my nose, and my bridge. And this is the final look. It is really that easy. It looks so cute. It makes you look like the main lead of an East Asian drama. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.